myself, what exactly are we trying to achieve here? Oh, we have double side by side. That's even better. Man, this guy's really flying past these trucks too. Gain a lot of time. Covered at 65. Well, 70. Guess this guy's just going to live in the Hammer lane. Thinks he's some kind of renegade trucker, going to pass everybody from here to California at 1 mile an hour faster, maybe 1/2 of a mile an hour faster than everybody else. Way to go.